We're at the Kentucky Railway Museum. Getting ready to ride this train. It's going to be a good ride, y'all. This is going to be so awesome. Santa Fe. I'm pretty sure it's that way. It's like the silver line.
That's what.
Look at this cool train, y'all. Listen how smooth it's idling. Look how smooth this dude idles. Wow. Here's the baggage claim, y'all. Look at the old carts. Old box car, y'all. This is so cool. Man, what a setup. That cool. Look at all the trains. This is unreal. Wow, look at this. What a track. Man, this is awesome. Look, it goes. That cool. Okay. Man, somebody, I can't wait to do this.
It's just clear.
What is it? Yeah. That's amazing. The hummingbirds, L&N. Here we have all the different locomotives. This is amazing, y'all. Baldwin Locomotion Works. That's a big boy there. time is it? Look at that. That's the big boy. Conductors' uniforms. Caboose stoves. Wow. Look at this. All conductors' uniforms.
Look at this. They're sitting.
Oh, really? Did you do it? Look. This is set up like a locomotive. Oh, man. This is cool. Look. Look at all this set up just like a loco. Fuel pump. Man, this is a real deal. You sure? Is this cool or what? If I get your picture in here. Wow, look at this, y'all. Original radio. Look at this. Everybody else has done blew through the museum and I'm still left here. This is the hand car, y'all. So much history here. Y'all might want to check this place out. Look at that cool train. Master Mechanics for L&N Railroad, right there. Huh. Wow. These are the real deal people here. There's another one, y'all. That's cool.
And all these fun cars.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
the truck kind of looks out of
Got an arrow.
Here we are, the Kentucky Railway. Going on a train ride. That's cool, don't it?
I think that's where they have all those concerts.
Open the window.
Looks like they are. Suspension.
Yeah, it's a pretty comfortable ride. I feel like it's gonna fall over though, don't it? Look down here. Going over the bridge before the flood. That's from that flood. I hope they don't go real fast. I want to just go this fast. I don't want to go real fast.
It's probably about as fast as we go. Shoot the prairie. Shoot the prairie.
Prairie.
Just like where it goes.
Can you
imagine being on a long 1,200-mile trip?
Get down there.
This is so. This is how it was.
There's like nothing there. Ooh. That's scary. That's scary.
That's how it used to be. We used to ride trains all the time.
I wonder where Coach is. Yeah, it would be. It would be back there.
Next call that. Remember the gray ones? Nice thing.
Let's just go get one.
Take the tickets.
Just go to Coach.
Yeah, I'll take the tickets. Okay. Conductor's gonna take our tickets.
What's the fastest that we'll go?
Probably about 15 miles an hour.
Yeah, I can calm down now.
Yeah, we're not gonna go too fast. This is about it.
Can you get up, Walker?
Yeah, just be careful. Yeah, if you want to get
I'm just curious what that car is up there. Is it the same, just like this one?
we have a dining car that way, and the car south the commuter coach, so it's got more bench style seats.
Oh, okay.
Really neat a lot.
Huh. Pretty cool.
Everybody gets their seats for it.
Yeah, that's true. Might be a good idea. we get there and stop, we'll get up with her. It's a sweet ride. This is awesome.
This first girl is all tall and the others look short. Some is tall and short, tall and short. I wonder why.
Oh, you can see the plane right here.
Some are short, some are tall.
What are they doing? The same one? Probably before or after I
This morning I called her. See, look, ostriches.
Oh, really?
See, yeah. They don't have a lot of room. See?
See, big goat.
I could do that.
They're doing purpose on it, right? I can know some. today.